So, dear students, in this video we will discuss about flags, how to set flags. So, flags, we have some functions in stream classes like IO stream, input stream and output stream. We have some functions to set the flag. What does it mean by setting flag? Setting flags are for some formatting purpose. Let's say, for example, you want to display your data, you want to display your variables in a particular format. So we have so many flags in C++. So for that purpose, we use a function that is called setf function, and this setf function is associated with stream class, is associated with streams in C++. So if you want to set it with output stream, you should use cout. Means if you want to set it for your out, if you want to do it some flags, you can set for input also. So that we will set with cin. So for example, let's say I want to set a flag. For example, let's say I want to print a number and I print a number 56 here. Okay, so I print two numbers 56 and let's say 63. So there are two numbers. 56 is a positive number and 63 is a negative number. So when I'll run it, simple, it will give us 56 and minus 63. But what I want that whenever I want to print a positive number like 56, so it should display a plus by default before the number. So it should give us like plus 56. So for that purpose, we have a flag name is show positive, and we will set, because this we want to set with output, so we will use cout, and then we will use setf function. And for setf function, this is the flag of iOS class. So iOS base class or iOS class. So iOS, and function name is show positive. Let's say show positive. So when I set this flag, now the flag show positive is set it. So now whenever I run this, it will give a positive plus symbol in front of positive number, because 63 is a negative number, so it doesn't matter. Whenever it will recognize a positive number, this will print a plus. Okay, similarly we have another flag. So let's say my flag name is cout. Again I will set a flag that is called show point. What does it mean? It means it will display the decimal numbers with trailing zeros also. So let's say I set the flag show point, and this show point flag will display with trailing 0. So for example, let's say I have a decimal number, let's say 85.5. So it will display it with trailing 0, like 85.5. How many zeros are required? 85.5000, and because it is a positive number, so because we have already set it the flag show positive there, so it will display show positive also. So now for example, let's say you want to set both flags together. So don't do it here, you can do it here with our symbol also, iOS show point. Okay, so now because show point will work only with decimal numbers, so it will give you plus 56, minus 63 and plus 85. So this is how to set two flags together. Now let's say you don't want to set them together. What you want for positive numbers, for non-decimal numbers you want to set show positive, and for decimal numbers you want to set show point flag. So what you want, whenever the decimal number occur, whenever you are printing this decimal number, you don't want it positive or negative symbol. You simply want 85.5000, something like that. So it means you want to unset this flag. You want to unset previously setted flag. So if you want to unset a previously setted flag, what you can do, before this you should call another function that is called unset. So simply cout dot unset f, and which flag you want to unset? Show positive. So let's run it now. So now it will not show positive symbol before in front of 85.5 because we already have unsetted the flag show positive. Okay, one more thing. Let's say you want to create a group of flags like show positive, show point. So every time you do not want to write it again and again, you want to create a group. So we can create a group of our flags also with keyword auto, and then you can auto class you use and you give some variable name. Let's say self. This is our variable name, and what we want to assign to this, iOS show pause or iOS show point. So I want to create a group iOS show point. Okay, now how to call it here? So now you need not to call setf function. Now we will call a function that is called flag function. So let's make it as a comment, all set functions. So now let's say cout dot flag, and which flag we want to use? Flags is a function name. Which flags we want to use? Our flag which we create ourselves, that is self. So now self will use all two, show positive and show point, both. See, it is using both show positive and show point. So these flags are these setf functions, and these flags are like with associated with your streams, input streams and output stream. Using these functions you can format your output much better because you are writing so many programs. So I thought to discuss it, how to format your output. So this time I discussed with how to set flag. In the next video I am going to discuss about precisions and boolean functions. So many things. So in the next video we will discuss some different things. Thank you.